Now let's talk about how, if you're selling houses, let's say you're in the seller finance business. That's what I do. I sell houses on 30-year fixed 10% notes. If you sell houses with seller financing, then you would want to collect a LiveComm phone number for each individual property. Then you'd want to go into the LiveComm system and label or name each one of those phone numbers the address of the respective house that you're going to make a recording for. So I have 15 houses for sale. I get 15 LiveComm phone numbers. I assign this phone number to 123 Main Street. Then I make a recording all about 123 Main Street. When it was built, how many rooms it has, how many bathrooms it has, what's the size of the lot, what school district, you know, does it have a new roof, an old roof, is the stove gas or electric, is the water heater gas or electric, everything you can think of. And then at the end of that recording, you can A, put a contact phone number if they're still interested in the house, or B, you could direct them to contact the salesperson whose phone number is in the back window in red. And this is a way to make your buyers qualify themselves. I personally like to make buyers qualify themselves, so I give them all the information about the house, including the sales price and the payments and the down payment, everything. And then tell them, if they still believe that this is the house for them, then this is what they do. They pack up their family, get in the car, drive to 123 Main Street, get out, look at the front yard, look at the backyard, look through the windows, check out the neighborhood, and if this is still the house for them, then go to the back of the house and write down or call the red phone number in the back window to talk to a live person. Now, what that did for us was take 100 phone calls a day over the weekend and narrow it down to only 8 who could A, actually follow directions, B, really wanted a house, C, showed us they wanted a house by taking action, driving to the house and locating the phone number in the back window. So there's different ways to use LiveComm,